It's just that's gonna bother me now mentally for the rest of the day. That me.
Well, that I don't know what happened there. That first board didn't get installed where it was supposed to be.
Like, I am done with this weather. This is crazy.
Everything's lined up, we're an inch out. Is there a chance that beam is built wrong?
We're noticing that the pressure might be getting to the competition, and they're switching their design up halfway through and basically just copying us. What I did notice, and I even shouted out to them, is that they're building their pergola to look exactly like the pergola I built when I faced off with Avery. That looks like the pergola I did when I competed with you.
Oh, wow. Feeling some sense of jealousy or something, or?
Judges aren't gonna like that. Which they said looked bizarre and weird, but there they are doing it. I think that's kind of funny.
Yeah, so it's been a pretty exhilarating, exciting first couple days. We're in pretty good shape. We got more than what we wanted to get done accomplished day one, and I think it kind of threw everyone off when, you know, Gord and his crew put up, you know, multi-level structure with a roof on it, and we only had some flat surface.
Hey.
Look at this. He's got like a bench and everything. Like, what the is this?
Kitchen, outdoor kitchen.
I don't know. I don't think there's any way he's gonna finish that. It was so part of the plan for us to be like that, but it really didn't look like we had much in the game. And then comes around day two, all of a sudden there was like a whole roof and walls and everything just kind of went up. So it really started to take shape what we were doing. So that was a really productive day. So even last night I was thinking about how can we add a little bit more stuff into the build. So we were trying to figure out little things like that.
The dynamic between Chuck and I is different between Brett and Avery's, because Brett and Avery have only done one project together before this. They do not work together. Me and Chuck have worked together for 5 years, and Josh has been with us right from the start. I am out of the field for the most part, but me and Chuck spent a lot of years solving problems together, and I still help them solve problems to this day. So when it comes to making decisions, the three of us put our heads together and someone comes up with the best solution every time. The better the ideas are, the faster we move, the better the project is, and the more efficiently we can build it. It's not a matter of finding a solution to a problem. It's a matter of finding a solution to the problem that is time sensitive.
We've got a game plan set for today, what we want to get accomplished in the first set. Hopefully don't want to use too much of the second round, but obviously we're going to use it if we have to, but our goal is to get like almost all of it done the first set and then just kind of hang around.
Plan for the day. The boys are going to start on the deck boards. I'm going to finish with the stone. I'm going to start running lighting right now. Once I'm done the lighting, we can now close in the backs. Once that's all done, and then we start with the plants and the lighting all turned on, I think the judge is going to love our space because it's like a full inclusive living space inside a 20 by 20 square. Not just a deck that goes to nowhere. You walk in and it's an experience. You continue to walk in. You feel everything. It's got texture, depth, and dimension.
So the original plan was something different than what we have here. Most of it's, I would say like 95% of it's the same.